Welcome to CannaGlobe, your virtual dispensary, what some are calling the future Amazon of cannabis. While this is not the official CannaGlobe opportunity presentation video, at least it will help you and your prospects to better understand what the CannaGlobe opportunity is during this phase 2 of pre-launch. And speaking of opportunities, Douglas MacArthur once said, "There's no security on this earth. There is only opportunity." And that's never more true than during deregulation of a major industry. That's when the massive transfers of wealth have happened in our country. Think about it. When the airline industry was deregulated, companies like American and Southwest, United, JetBlue, and so many others became multi-billion-dollar companies, creating thousands and thousands of millionaires that got involved. Next, it happened with the telecom industry. When it was deregulated, companies like AT&T and T-Mobile and MCI, Sprint, XL became billion-dollar companies. Again, thousands of people that got involved became millionaires. A major transfer of wealth occurred. Next, it happened with energy. When it was deregulated, companies like Ambit and Stream and Viridian and others became billion-dollar companies, creating thousands of millionaires. Well, guess what? It's happening again in one of the, if not the most unique industry that it's ever occurred with, and that's cannabis. In fact, Rolling Stone magazine just said, if it seems like a new state is legalizing cannabis nearly every week, don't worry, you're not high. It is indeed happening at an unprecedented pace. CNBC calls it the new gold rush. Forbes magazine says that this market could grow by 700%. The Wall Street Journal says it's a tremendous market for those involved. And speaking of the market, the timing couldn't be better. You're at the beginning of the beginning, a $22 billion industry that's projected to grow to over $300 billion in the next several years. So, what's the opportunity for you? Well, what if you could actually own your own virtual dispensary with over 100 best-in-class products day one without all the hassles? No experience, no storefront needed, no inventory, no licensing required, no apologies, and best of all, it's 100% legal. How? Well, we are compliant with the 2018 Farm Bill in every aspect of our business. What separates us is our nanotechnology. You see, we shrink the molecule by 4,500% to obtain a 99% absorption rate, which compared to industry norms is only 25%. So it's fast acting and extended release. There's three different options. You can become a bud by simply buying any product. You get paid up to 70% on 3 levels. Or if you're serious about making money, you should become a VDO, a virtual dispensary owner. It's a one-time fee of $420, $25 a month. You get $420 worth of products. You can earn up to 27% in commissions on unlimited levels, and you are trained by a certified trainer, not just how to do the business, not just on the products, but also how to be successful in just life in general. Now, if you're super serious, I would highly encourage you to become a video pro. Why? You get all of those things previously mentioned, but you also get paid to train other videos, whether they are on your team or not. How do you build a business? Well, it's simple. You share your QR code, share your link, people go there, buy products, and you get paid commissions. Or you can share sample products with individuals. They like the products, they scan your QR code, they go to your website, they buy products, you get paid commissions. Or you could host a party, talking about giving a new definition to a home party. Host a party, people try the products, have a good time, eventually become customers. Again, you get paid commissions. How do you get paid? How does it all work? Well, if you choose to become a video or a video pro, you can earn immediate income. The first thing you're going to want to do is get qualified. Now, how do you do that? Well, you have to have 3 customer points. Your website can count as one. Your auto ship can count as one. You can get a customer that counts as one. But once you do that and you're qualified, every time you personally sponsor another qualified video, you're going to earn a $100 mentor bonus. Once you've personally sponsored 3, have a total of 12 on your team with one trainer, which can be you, a video pro, which can be you. you get promoted to our first leadership position called area. And now as an area, every time you personally sponsor a new video that gets those 3 customer points in the first 30 days, you're going to earn a $175 mentor bonus. But it doesn't stop there. Every single qualified video that joins your area team, you're going to get paid $75 to unlimited levels. Meet a few more requirements and get promoted to our next leadership position called regional. Now, as a regional, every time you personally sponsor a new qualified video, you're now going to earn a $200 mentor bonus. But again, it doesn't stop there. Every single qualified video that joins your regional team, you're going to earn a $100 leadership bonus to unlimited levels. Meet a few more requirements and get promoted to national video. And now as a national, every time you personally sponsor a new qualified video, you're going to earn a $225 mentor bonus. But again, it doesn't stop there. Every single qualified video that enters your national team, you're going to earn $125 to unlimited levels. Meet a few more requirements and get promoted to our top leadership position called international video. And now as an international, every time you personally sponsor a new qualified video, you're going to earn a $275 mentor bonus. But again, it doesn't stop there. Every single qualified video that enters your international team, you're going to earn a $175 leadership bonus to unlimited levels. Now, this is the immediate upfront income that you can earn while you're building your long-term residual income. So let's take a look at the residual. As an affiliate, as a bud, you're going to earn 15% on level 1 and 1% on level 1 and 2. However, once you get promoted to regional, you pick up an additional 3%. So you're earning 18% on level 1, 4% on level 2 and 3, and 3% to unlimited levels. In your regional team, you're going to pick up another 3%. So you're earning 21% on level 1, 7% on level 2, 3, and 4, and 6% to unlimited levels. And then as you promote to national, you pick up another 3%. So you're earning 24% on your first level, 10% through level 5, and 9% to unlimited levels in your national team. And once you get promoted to international, you pick up another 3%. So you earn 27% on your first level in your international team, 13% through level 6, and 12% to unlimited levels. This is on every video and all of their customers in all of your organization every single time they purchase any of the products. You can also earn a 20% check match on all of your regional videos and above. You do have to be a qualified regional video in order to earn this. In addition to all this, you can get paid to train. There's 4 training levels. As a video pro, you can earn between $40 and $100 for every person you train, whether they are on your team or not. You also can earn bonuses of $25 to $200 for every trainer on your team that gets trained, whether you train them or not. Now, while this is exciting, industry being deregulated, being legalized, a virtual dispensary that you can own with none of the hassles and none of the headaches. You get these amazing immediate impact products that you feel within 10 seconds to 20 minutes. The most exciting thing to me is this, is changing the world by transforming lives with sacred plants that put smiles on faces, happiness back in our hearts, laughter back in our lives, and maybe most importantly, health back in our homes. So the question is this: would you rather become a customer and just try our products, or become a video and make some money? Well, it's up to you. The decision is yours. So get back with the person that invited you and join today. Thank you for spending the last several minutes with me. Hopefully this will help you get through the phase 2 of pre-launch until we actually release our official business opportunity video. Goodbye for now.